Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Lily who grew up in a small town in the countryside. Lily had always dreamed of achieving great things in life, but she faced many struggles along the way. Lily was the youngest of 3 siblings, and her parents struggled to make ends meet. They worked long hours at a factory and often came home exhausted. Lily knew that she had to work hard to achieve her dreams, and she was determined to do so. Lily's high school years were tough. She had to juggle schoolwork and a part-time job to help her family pay the bills. She didn't have the luxury of going to parties or hanging out with friends like other teenagers her age did, but she never let that discourage her from pursuing her dreams. After graduating high school, Lily applied to the best colleges in the state, but she was rejected by all of them. She felt crushed and defeated, but she didn't give up. She enrolled in a community college instead and worked even harder. Lily spent countless hours studying and attending tutoring sessions. She joined clubs and volunteered in her community. She even started her own small business selling handmade crafts online to make extra money. After 2 years of hard work at the community college, Lily finally applied to the top colleges again, and this time she was accepted to her dream school. She was over the moon and couldn't believe it. All her hard work had paid off. Lily continued to work hard in college, taking on internships and leadership roles in clubs. She graduated with honors and landed a job at a top company in her field. Today, Lily is a successful young woman who has achieved her dreams despite all the obstacles in her way. She is grateful for the struggles she faced, as they made her stronger and more determined to succeed. She hopes to inspire other young people to never give up on their dreams, no matter how difficult the road may seem.
तो ये रहा आज का एनिमेटेड वीडियो जो कि मैंने सुबह सुबह डिस्कवर किया। सो आई थॉट कि लेट्स गिव इट ए ट्राई करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है। वैसे रिजल्ट तो काफ़ी अच्छा निकल के आया। हाँ, इसमें मैं और थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकती थी, लेकिन ये फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंटल वीडियो था। अगर आप जानना चाहते हो कि मैंने कैसे बनाया ये वीडियो, तो प्लीज़ नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना। मैं इसके ऊपर एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाऊंगी कि कैसे चैट जीपीटी यूज़ करके आप ऐसे एनिमेटेड वीडियोस बना सकते हो। टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लविंग एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।